I'd like to thank LG for having me part of the advisory group. The Life's Good Award is a great initiative. Let's continue playing our part in making this world a greener place.
I'm proud of you, honey. Just focus on saving the planet. I'll take care of the house today because you deserve it all.
I do deserve it all. You should clean like this every day. Honey, don't forget to turn the lights off when you're done in there.
I know, dear. You've been telling me that for the past 30 years.
The vacuum cleaner begins cleaning with the dry mop.
Hey, Mom, we're here. We're in the kitchen. Hi.
Hey, the whole gang's here.
Oh, I hope you didn't drive here. Happy anniversary!
Oh, an LG soundbar eclair. Now we can hear everything.
Eco-friendly materials and packaging. I'm impressed.
Hey, Mom, I'm parched. Do we have any fresh juice?
Knock twice to see what's in the fridge, Ellie.
Not twice. Huh. Hey, no juice.
Yeah, you don't see the juice. But you know what else you don't see? How much energy is wasted every time you open the fridge door unnecessarily.
Okay, you're right. Guess I'll just help myself to some water.
You deserve it all. You deserve it all. You know you've been good all year.
Did you know that OLED TVs are made with fewer plastic components than conventional TVs?
We know.
The tech industry moves at such a fast and competitive pace, but it's so important to keep ourselves grounded and remember it's all about making the home a more caring place, both inside and out. Since 2006, we've been developing LG's sustainability management, aimed at improving lives through management that benefits both the environment and society, and it's founded on 3 core values. First, our continued commitment to making technology more inclusive and accessible to all. Second, our promise to deliver responsible products with eco-friendly material and optimize the production process for future generations. And third, continuing to be leaders in home energy saving for a cleaner and healthier life.
Innovative, eco-friendly products and their features don't just suddenly happen. At LG, everything is planned out down to the smallest detail. Let's dive deeper. Now, one of my favorite scenes here is with Ellie's elderly father controlling all of those LG smart appliances. With LG's development of voice instruction and Braille overlay, it makes it easier for our visually challenged consumers to operate once complicated appliances. And this is more than just a cool feature. With the help of some very important advisors, LG is constantly pushing the boundaries in this area of accessibility by developing products that are universally inclusive and easy to use for all.
Over the last decade, NCAM has worked with LG in the United States on accessibility issues, including co-hosting the annual LG Accessibility Advisory Board workshops. These workshops provide a forum for LG, NCAM, and a group of advisors to compare notes, share ideas, and learn from one another about technology, policy, and regulatory trends in accessibility. At our most recent workshop, the advisors applauded LG's commitment to accessibility, highlighted by new efforts in human factors testing, an in-person testing lab, and many significant accessibility improvements across LG's products. It is great to see LG focus not only on regulatory compliance, but go well beyond, working to make LG products and services smarter and easier for everyone to use, including people with disabilities.
With everyone racing to deliver devices to meet the need of the hour, it's easy to forget our responsibility to also plan for a sustainable future. That's why, at LG, we asked ourselves, how can we elevate the viewing experience without escalating its environmental impact? This led to sustainability becoming fundamental in how we design our TVs. To reduce the production of hazardous compounds, our latest TVs, unlike others, don't need a backlight to function. so they require fewer components to build. Thanks to their fewer components and lighter weight, they're also more power efficient and made using eco-friendly materials to further reduce the TV's environmental impact. After all, even when we're pushing new boundaries in innovation for a better today, we should also expand our vision to include a better, more sustainable tomorrow. Let's head back to Ellie at her parents' house. Did you notice that all of their LG products were energy efficient and eco-conscious? LG has been putting great efforts into making products that are more sustainable and easier on the environment. The goal? With a multifaceted strategy that has been reviewed and validated by climate experts and a science-based targets initiative, by 2030, we plan to reduce the total amount of carbon emissions generated in the product production stage by 50% compared to 2017. LG products are also becoming more eco-friendly throughout their entire product lifecycle, from development, production, usage, and even disposal. In fact, we've pledged to introduce up to 600,000 tons of recycled plastic into our manufacturing process and increase the recovery of electronic waste to up to 8 million tons by 2030. This goes to show how LG is making big moves to ensure a more sustainable future.
Our dedication to create a better place led us to initiate the Life's Good Award. With this initiative, LG will curate innovative tech ideas that contribute to sustainable development and award the winner up to $1 million starting in 2023. The Life's Good Award will focus on 2 topics. First, innovation for Earth. Innovation to minimize environmental impact by pursuing zero waste, closed-loop systems, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and addressing climate change. And second, innovation for all. Innovation to ensure that products are easily accessible and user-friendly for everyone. We want to encourage people to strive to make our world a better place and ultimately inspire the feeling of life's good across the globe. We pledge to always stay innovative with the intent of saving our planet and doing our best to ensure a better life for all.